Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dunton Fields. And today I'm going to show you the 3-bedroom semi-detached stunning home that's located in the heart of this development. Let's take a look inside. On the ground floor, the property comprises of a WC, bright and airy living room, kitchen diner, which leads onto a 39-foot east-facing garden. On the first floor, the property benefits from 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, a family bathroom, and an ensuite shower room to the master bedroom. The property, which is located on Academy Drive, benefits from an attached garage and off-street parking for multiple vehicles. I think we can all agree, what a stunning home. If you'd wish to view this property, please give us a call. My name's Daniel, and we are Balgos.